Imagine turning your digital designs into real, tangible objects. That's the magic of 3D printing. It allows for the creation of prototypes, parts, or even personalized items with precision and ease. For those diving into the world of 3D Printing, The Complete Guide is an essential read. It lays down the basics from 3D modeling to the final print and explores the various applications of this technology. If you're looking for a lighter introduction, 3D Printing for Dummies simplifies the process, making it accessible to anyone. It's perfect for beginners curious about choosing the right printer and starting their first project. More practical applications and hands-on advice can be found in 3D Printing, a Practical Guide. It delves into more complex topics like post-processing techniques, helping you refine your 3D printing skills. Entrepreneurs aiming to venture into the 3D printing business should not miss the 3D Printing Business Kit. This book covers the nitty-gritty of setting up and running a successful 3D printing service. Podcasts can also be a goldmine of information. The 3D Printing Podcast offers insights into the latest industry trends and innovations, featuring interviews with experts who share their experiences and tips. For visual learners, YouTube channels like 3D Printing Nerd and Maker's Muse provide comprehensive tutorials and reviews that demonstrate various techniques and troubleshoot common issues in 3D printing. Lastly, for those who prefer structured learning, online courses such as 3D printing applications on Coursera discuss the broader implications and uses of 3D printing in industries like aerospace and healthcare. This course provides real-world case studies that illustrate the impact of 3D printing technology,